How to insert PDF file on your Word document. Hey everybody, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily insert a PDF file to your Word document. But before we get started, I'd like you to head down below to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel as well. Now, without any further ado, let us jump right in. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Word document. So go ahead and search for Word and then hit enter. So here I have created a blank document. So I'm just going to type in how to insert PDF to Word. And as you can see here, to insert any kind of document, you just want to head over to Insert tab. Now all you have to do is click on this Object option on the Text tab. So just click on Object and click on this drop down. Now another window will pop up like this. Here you have you can select different types of objects. So what you can do is click on Create from File. Now you're going to browse through your PC for the PDF file. I'm just going to head over to Desktop and then click on this option right here, New Folder, and I'm going to choose this PDF right here. As you can see, this is the PDF that I want to import, and if you want it to display as an icon, you can do that as well, or if you want to link it to the file, you can do that. I'm just going to click on OK, and now your PDF will be inserted to your Word document, and if you click on it, the PDF will open up. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.